got a little close, Marley.
You got FXI frame in that van?
There is. Ooh, it's cold back here.
Parts just look like they're sandblasted.
Yeah. It's really silver.
I like it.
Like
Yeah, I
that's
like
gonna look
that.
really badass against the
It is. I like it.
against the black.
Yeah, that's cool.
What's that? Well, yeah, because the black ain't hiding it. Yeah. That's the whole damn thing. So we gotta clean these parts still really good. I don't know. I think it's gonna look cool. I got more powder just ordered. That's what I was just doing. Heads, cylinders, and wheels still. So transmission can get put together tomorrow. Bottom end of the motor will get put together tomorrow. And hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow, we will put the motor and the tranny in the frame. So that's the ultimate goal. So if we can get that done, and then, because we don't have the heads and cylinders back yet from powder, but we should be able to get the transmission put together. The first batch of hardware should show up tomorrow morning, so we can put it together. It looks kind of almost brand new. It's cold. That's gonna be bright. It's black and it's silver, and tomorrow we'll put some stuff in it. Just picked up the frame, just picked up some powder coat, just picked up a table full of parts from the dealership. So now tomorrow we'll start assembling it.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, so it's getting there. It'll get there.
Yeah, I'm excited to see.
This thing in the stand. Lee, I really love taking apart shit that was put together.
Yeah, this is even funner than taking it apart the first time.
Yeah. We're gonna be good at it though now. It's gonna be our second time doing this. At least nothing's sealed good yet.
Well, I think the gaskets.
We get that seal out, that bearing out still.
Apart faster than before.
We spent all weekend here, and then we got the bottom end of the motor put together. We got the tranny all put together, and then we put the tranny and the motor together in there, and they don't match. And the powder coater did say he had issues with it, so we're having a texture problem. So Lee just took the transmission completely back apart, so we can ultimately gonna have to get the tranny repowder coated. But on the bright side, we have chrome back, and the chrome looks awesome. So now, hopefully in the next day or two, we get the powder coat back again, and then assemble for the final time is the goal. I wonder if we're the first ones to have S&S rocker boxes in chrome. And they don't offer them, and I found out, so we can get our socket for 12-point hardware. So S&S uses socket head screws for everything. Well, we're gonna end up using 12-point. So all of our 12-point hardware we got, I have to stick in the lathe and machine the head down so it fits in all the bores on a couple of the parts. So, all right, should we put that thing on the stand, that engine stand? Slide that thing over there. All right. Yeah, literally everything I picked up. I'm gonna put it in the damn hole. Shiny. So we can put a swing arm together at least. That's about it. It was starting to look like a bike. Wiring is in and where it all needs to be. So now, probably tomorrow, Lee's gonna hopefully finish the lower triple tree today. So then we can get the trees out to chrome. Once the trees are out to chrome, we can work on mounting blocks, mounting tabs, whatever we need, bracketry for all the wiring that's sitting in the battery compartment right now. He got the pivot blocks all designed up yesterday, so those are ready to machine. Then it's wiring, tidying, firewall. There's a lot we can actually do without having the drivetrain. I'm gonna go to powder coat and then I'll be back. Yesterday was a long day, so we had to strip the transmission back apart because it didn't match the engine. So I went to the powder coaters and me and the powder coater actually just sat and redid all of this yesterday. So now everything matches and we can go back to what we did Friday and Saturday, which was put the train. This was completely together and it was in the bike, this was in the bike, everything like that. So now I'm gonna clean up all the fins, highlight all the fins, get all the powder coat finished, get the transmission rebuilt again. A buddy of mine is coming in, he's gonna help tag team this and get the transmission built, the motor built, while I'm doing other stuff. And then we'll get, hopefully by the end of today, this and this will be in the bike complete. We've got all the chrome that got here, now we've got this, and hopefully I don't get pulled away again. So that is the goal. Then maybe we'll be in a good spot. So yeah, I'm gonna start sanding and cutting on powder coat.
This is going to be tedious. The Dynafile will work good.
Right.
Well, we're back on track again.
Yeah. Lost 2 days
move
and
forward.
Yeah. So, okay. There's got to be a better way of doing this, but I don't know it. So we're just gonna go for it. We are putting a swing arm together. We are putting a tranny in. We're gonna put a belt in. We're gonna put a swing arm in. We're gonna probably put a tire on the rear wheel, and hopefully the whole back is aligned and done today, and hopefully get a motor in today.
Maybe.
So.
Yes, this is my last day.
Yeah. You quit? You're done? Tapped out?
I've been putting a lot of my stuff off.
Ah.
It's gotta be done before I go to Colorado.
Well, see, that's what happens when you get to take them fancy snowmobile trips.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to Daytona.
I'm not either.
Yeah, right.
No, so we get a lot done. Lee's machining on pivot blocks, Seth's working on production, so we're gonna be good. Today's gonna be a good, solid day of getting done. And an FXR is starting to look like a motorcycle, is what we're hoping for. Yeah, we're gonna get this done, one way or the other. Lee still needs to make struts, a firewall, side covers, my bracket tree to put the electrical together. All right. Okay. I don't want to hammer this together the wrong way.
How much more motor building you gotta go?
Oh, not much. Just put cover rockers on, cam gears on, push rod tubes. Not a whole lot.
Make sure those things didn't move.
Like a glove. Perfect. Move that belt.
Get that pulled in. Now you're in?
Yep. Train needs to go your way, so be careful. Okay.
So now these can go.
Yep.
What'd you do with the shaft?
It's up there because it's full of anti-seize. So yeah, put the shaft in. Careful of that frame, Lee. Okay. Now your spacers go on. Okay. Lift it up. How about that?
That'll work. These may not work with this.
What?
Because how far out is yours? Yeah.
Yeah.
These might be out too far, but they're possibly going to be too much. So these might have to go deeper.
So basically what we're running into is the bushings on an FXR are skinnier than a bagger. So our cup is hanging out further than the plane here. So our new pivot blocks we made, we just got to bore this down further so it clears this. Then we have OEM bagger pivot shaft, swing arm width, and then the end caps and the hardware is all OEM using an FXR bushing is what we're doing. Is it out? Come on. Is it heavy? A little bit. Set in. Okay, get your arm. Look at that.
You doing forwards?
Forwards. Bagger brake arm, bagger kickstand.
Okay.
We're gonna do the CVO ST, the mini full-size boards. Is what we're gonna do. Just wanna clock them pivot blocks so we're done. And we know that we're done.
Yeah.
Because I do not want to forget those.
No, we need to probably back the center bolts all Loctite them.
Yep. So we got the motor in, tranny's in, swing arm is in, we got to mount some tires on, we've got some machining to do. We're planning on doing a sealed wheel bearing conversion on these factory wheels. So that's going to take some time. We've got to machine an adapter ring for all the brake discs because we're using 2000 and later brake discs on 99 and earlier wheels. So yeah, I mean, we've got a lot going. Lee's got the triple trees machined, so we've got that figured out. So now it's just a lot more assembling, and Lee's machining like crazy, and I got to get back on wiring, and then I can build a primary, clutch, get the drive in it, outer primary. Still a lot of stuff to do, so we're making progress, but slowly and a little at a time. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna be in Daytona, and it's gonna be cool. Thanks for watching, following along with what we do. Like, subscribe, follow, all that fun stuff. Follow along with what we're doing on this bike, because we got a lot more stuff coming. So guys, we really appreciate you guys watching and what we do.